Ebusha adentina ya na nipa ne bi adwene o so mo ye nipa che ye wo Ghana ha ni na. Enem bebusa questions o. Ba me wo enkomo enketenkete bi wo ho. Enkomo enketenkete no matre. Kana Ofori-Atta yire etro krata bre Ghana fo ina se nikuru hia boso me miensa mboa. Eti June ye wo mi nka ho. July, August, and September. September can Ofori-Atta Oma. Ken September Oma. Me 72nd Ofori-Atta wu anya me wawa. But mempe nyadia efe ede so we need party o men ma catch up pain so me Ghana ni wu a ehime tem bibia but September no Oma either say obeba before September na ya che no na mpanifo awuram ne yama ne bail na wa fa Ivory Coast edwane ko biom omba biom ene number 1 number 2 say omba biom kra na de Ghana person ye bia no na waye Peter onim say companies me answer the aban court say o madwiri wo office ato agu so mbesi cathedral 3 companies makoma me answer at the aban court Chief Justice here no kasa ye no wa track rata ma ban so mo here $50 million so Chief Justice here when we request $50 million say a judge for dan na wo mu butugu ye no esi dan no for from a judges no ye ko fa sasika no ye bu dan no na mpanifo sabe na nipa ni kuro yim ebi anka by now kura no cathedral no saka yesie wi a aka ebia de ehye nipa bo eye ya epira ye no ka ye rebefi na ya dre the compensation ye de mama won a ye bu won dan but abandon disregard ye na wa say $58 million bi ho e betimi asay no ti asay no it's a companies no e demand sika e fi jomama ho jomama obo obi dan kwame mama we bu dan but you see ade bi wo governance mu a matena se adwene ho a mentiase ye say governance is continuous amembo ntoaso ti wo ye contractor na bind do car Captain Smart so by so to aso no tua come out. Majetu but sa ban no kwai na say Captain Smart e ba no odi nsamfo a ene ye nan. And which mean any party or men politics inti na say obi asay o manager pade bi obi am o man sika bi ahye obi am o man ne onyam bi ye de twitwi fom ye ti sa nipa no abusa no na ye dida sama na nkrofo bi so asore akwa jira say call police headquarters ebinim akwa jira NIB ebinim akwa jira say ya mpene sa nipa ne ye nche no really when you say and na me pesa antiama antibi Mr. Niama Mr. Shandoff Mr. Ma any board members mo fanche me sabe ya won kwasiafo okrum ha de wadi ewukura no benya obi adinachi enipa wakum nipa o obi anim se we wafatuo pe wakum nipa sabe ye benya nkwasiafo bi edi won achi sa anya he mebwa mebwa eti obi fa oman sika say or my ejapadia. Yemfa ho ade edi eche na say oyan disini tese edi echi oyan pipini etese edi echi pacho den de haye mebusa hwe enewa ho me ka bibia say ya bo intako na wie ankama no be ya bruta same betra ha no pa minim de me yewu so wadwen yo say me mu ade I am going to be captain. And na me ne Miss Nancy Peter, na me ne Miss Nancy Bonkomo. Or say captain, guess this slow water. They don't know the other side of you. Yes, I don't want anybody to know my other side. Because I don't go for baby guess no. I know this is me no. She say K ya na eko. Uhunu we kire ho de ya na wa fansa. But the reality of the matter is that then to the session nipa oba wo no feel memu ha etimi hwe nyame anim din e ka kire me kwadwe smart say ya ma me $14,000 seven konkodi na me call element me ndi 14,000 na me di fia bi me de aka na ba sa sika na se wudi sa sika no sanka yam pam se esese wudi a aka de beba Ghana ni pa otukrom ha se otukwan Peter otukwan media general se akwantuo na woni Captain Smart etuo no ye ma pede ye pede ma yenketenkete me papa ni mutu se me tukwan ko bebe ma 300 cedis ya ma Peter 150 prof ye man 100 Nasa fancy yakwa axim. Ni yakwa kodi 3 days azim yakwa ye free ha Tuesday. Ni yakwa do Wednesday ya show, Thursday ni ya show, Friday ni ya show, Saturday ni ya di atwaso, Sunday ni ya di atwaso. Monday as ye tuka ni yaba. Nasa media general say Captain Smart. Wo dia wo ye presenter ka say party about 300. Na me bedu yam so 300 na 300 cedis na de ma be no me disu 25 Ghana cedis nti anti ama jo 300 as I say start here real. Well, what about you say Abraham? Ghana for 99% is fake. I'm telling you, we are fake. And it's a man na wa broche ne ba pepepa no asese sika ketu ebe no wa tonta de mo no wa be hye no wa wo ta broche no mba boys no mba na oba no ma beje oge no wa beje oyere no ho onim de omo ye oba onye hwe odi pass 3 years no wa top perfume miensa wa tonta de bi aka ho oba be di 2 weeks oba o 2 perfume no gudu ho sika no wa calculate enti no mo ko mo nkra wo no ko so calculate sa wia esi su se pan ade beto so me kwa aburi aba ko hwe me nana aba oboa o kotoka international airport be hwan so ko wo be fra no so me nya emergency be no wan kra oge ye na ye fake. I'm telling you, we are just fake people. Opa says here, what do you say? Obi o wa wo twini wo ye de dan or a Captain Smart supporter. But yes, here, me can no credit to so wo di bachi na wo pemasem wo dome wo support me a jajimi no man you wadwe say me say dachi wo te say Captain Smart akodi kwase say me ni bi sansam fun no say Captain Smart akoye bi na wa sori na wo di bachi wa boa jajimi no. It's a mistake in penny for saying no one fan because sometimes I say you cut the plain language it's a gun and you know not tell one say me nyet da me nyet da na say Captain Smart Ghana buy sika 1 cedi afa nsem ye calculation no 1 cedi abeda so na wa sorry say ya chime na wo dibirika ya check Captain Smart ye njano are you crazy? me ko fa aban sika no na wo ho enipa bi ye wan dwen say asajama man ni mu no we nipa chen obi no obi anye nipa chen obi akroma wo time ana MPP wo ho na ye chime no then me pesa me che obi anye nipa chen obi akroma wo say ka wo man we hu ya tete yenye prayer ya far than to Jobama time ada adoma fam ya meto bo amom ka man papa me kan hwehwe nyina say 2016 na me yefa be also then nsi yey but that time I realized that there was things which were never be na ekoso no na nye na se me kasa me kasa anu de ya ntime antumo me ka hwe ne ye pae no asa ebedu akufa do so de 39 times in 2 years ye fa no to nchen and they wouldn't say story no me pese me ka bi kirew ene ene ye wo jo mahama amemwo papa say wa to won so hoto won so kroma wona manso to so nipa nso mfa nipa won so wa ho ato won so wo feel fine won so wo timi kan dollar no ho asem bi because dollar na tem wa bedu 10.29 and no 10.29 una ho na okaka ho bi say dollar was so dollar ni so the entire dollar ni timi confirm bi obi say wuntimi nya calculation wuntimi hu say say ye kase no say Iran ne Russia your friend say Israel war no I for no bia na oil no price na because so say ya wo mo dig ko so person mo giant tokwan ne ade no bia na oil price no stabilize it's a dollar na ka ho sa no but dollar na be ko single digit dollar na be sa ko fom one say wo aton one say which be sorry ko wo hwe TV or me free o say encheme o so wani age ya ti petrol so dollar ko fom hey then yeah bibia ko so fine bibia ko smooth e kuma so that time when I was talking and fighting then yes John Mahama na me fight amano I was not fighting for John Mahama I was fighting for this country called Ghana. But your time na me here for also man na do 2016 na office na na do it was Ghana. Yeah, the MPP back power 2016. 2020 yeah, me dem declare results no kan kroma. Me awie na ate ense firi hu na yeko. But the point is that I'm going somewhere. Follow me. You want to for how you want to say we bo man na no ma be ya tamfo. But wo we o man ni sika no, one wo ye o man na dofo. You know what I'm saying? I mean, no be a catch and say so two kwan a. Embra na ma kwan so betwe ni kunu akọ. Pacho ukuro ya bandwuma. Ah, sabiti asesi eh. Me yesi kwadwo smart o two kwan. Media general for adi two kwan. Na makoka che media general for say me de be yere ne me ma na ekọ to bam skara mfa ma o. Ye kwa dia to aduane adi. Media general for so me. Yey. O ma so me. What was we tea assembly be a wodwene ho a won tea ase adentra ye say make Captain Smart say me ti hey me say bosoma so ye tua meka enti aban pebesia na me kodwo smart me de misika akoma cathedral for say je adentra me de bo aban besia na aban besia nya parliament ne ye bo no na sofo bi say we nya 2 million Ghana ha the sofo bo so aketu say so for so 2 million Ghana or the abo Ghana buying besia ewo na wenya asorema asori di akire bia ni abre ye sofo no ye be kino meka e we sofo kro market ye be chi sofo no ye be kino sa sofo no ye be kino enche ye be kino papa yo betra me nchen ha adano ebrada yi asame na oka ya transfer 52.5 billion Ghana cedis ha efi sashi bank line ya say account na sese sika ne koto mo nkran no andru na akoto unknown account ogumu atakwa eti ehwe sa sika na yehu 52.5 billion ebetimi aye ankamu ekosi gomu ahyem kwan 1,000 times amabi aka yesi sa sika no yehu na say ye friend nipa na wudi mirika say me ye party ni me ko bo ho ban won say MPP before I want to me asem ka Peter won dey tia case na FBI wom sa fe ma ke so ye be ma ye on ka bi on san ka bi mu another person ye be ma bi wa no na ka bi mu but America kwaye o mo de wo mo so mo ye rough say o mo kwa America bi mu say ja won to me case ama no say won to me obre buruta afa ma ke sika che say odi 9 years and oton sase eye estate we check it time no say nimfia wadie any time or say or yes I estate and say we did 9 years but when ya sase krata ankoma won to be bill mwa mewa MPP from 24 okrom hadaya ye ya boy bra wie and say about politics him it's no be any dying krata e kire no mu so makwatra from wa bra na ni kwansa wotena fam no obu hu say no want to be case ni ye di akire a ye ina ye nimbegu ase cause case no want to be first case we anya Ghana bank case we FBI America for case it's e chi want to me no afa na Ghana de ye be chi no kwa na ko mu no ye nche no afa de ye be chi no kwa na de no ho yete no contract no kwaje ye eme transfer Ghana million ede ma no a wanye kwan no yanchi no afa ne yabeche no want to be first case no FBI case eti sa wuti akire no wadwen yo say hey sori kodi akire o sa akwa ba ko no akwa bi so e dagati ni o safrafra yen ba frankrofo afri boku me de kusasifo ba eye kaka na akwa na sense akire no patcho se Ghana for me kura me ye boni a post for me ko ha ko ka kire obo na akwa ne kasa adane afa ma ke ko kwatra fam ro no shoe asa akwa da boso nsia o wea what's o majaika aso majaika den tira o mine say a enema essay o mine no yam pese ye beka ho asem. Look, and now I'm a Chief Justice. I was, in fact, a do baby no. I'm say, ma. The suspended Chief Justice, men can say, Yan Pamono. But I ain't check. I hear a swab by September, no co, ma, we be co. Where do that? Ma, we be co. Anta Araba, you will go. Where one and sequando, Eroko. Editor, us there, Ibinum was then, say, or resigner, another, say, or retire. Mama in there, no benefit to be an answering. Is it the country or your benefit? Yay. Is it about Ghana? Or it's got to do with your benefits. enti onko ewu da ededa wakada wa makwa no bia mbisa questions enti na man ko hon kamako na nka mabisa nde osuka ase wako hoda no kae then before this case osuka ase hon wako hoda time here we inviting there omra na the case no hon won ka ho asem ono pe no za ko ho ana there wako hoda that's a wako ho pe na okay baazi that time no nya no wofa no okunu ho mbocho that time no nya no wofa no okunu ho mwa wako su castle da okay there ho wako excursion wo hoda wako committee president bi da wako ho pe na me sitting here, I would never preach any kind of gospel against any state official. But if not for anything, share the course between Supreme Court and Parliament of Ghana, the Judiciary and the legislature. That alone is enough grounds for whoever to go away. That alone is enough grounds for anybody to go away. Hey, yet yes, I say, they be a catch and crofo. Sir, who come baby no who say yes, so be so. Many words say, I didn't nipana yenano, who ye be the better. It's a convention. I do sana Peter Bae no or you no, sana Godwin you no, sana GH boy you no, sana JB so you no. It's at the time me ko ye bia ye de chemi. Bia na time na Peter Godwin GH boy JB no. Na nipa ho na dwen komra no so. Me ba ye no ma dwen ko so ye be yimadi. Ye be yimadi. Once my niece Adam who say why it's a Captain Smart. Ma, you say, and man say ye investigate. Na ye hwehwe nsema efa obi animu odu Chief Justice Akonwa no enya akonwa ketwa wo. Ono na ansa na obi be di president no. The ono beka to say the sofo hia ware so on na beka as a president akabi ti sa konwa no ma antara be dama konwa no egwara ete no nehu onye gwa kitikite wo antara ba onye gwa kakraba. So if you are despising another convention, there's another convention which says that say you investigate you are. And now if there's a commission of inquiry here, assembly a far Chief Justice one, you in fact kura mabonti and amwa. What is a Mahama? Akabibia for Chief Justice Oko. What is Attorney General? Akabibida. What is a Chief Justice? Your friend say Chief of Staff. What is a Wakabida? What is a Judge B? Akabida. Even the acting Chief Justice. What is a Wakabida? Why then who decided say you will come out and explain? Which I can say, and run some no, maybe Tiana de Bohua. It was and some no insist. But we are by me, I had a man as some no make can. Yeah, now you be here. And run some would cut to see near. Wow, statement now, kind of man. See, I can see near. As some no insist. Or since it can't be a hawk was penny here. About 2 months later, and already I can call it Abba Ghana for JB. Many JB took away. Media General America, see and cost spend it. Makwa cost spend it, Maba. Medibus me back and now Makuma Diasa. Say you. Na no Shegu. Na Masada and now Makuma Diasa. 2 months. Sabai sika bedi ho bosu mienu When problem here, see hospital be where could be ase. Ghana for. Yay. Emrana hiri ya tro say wuti do ukuru to kwan na aban aba ukuru huka ma say esaka ukoti article subsection clause say who me to kwan na aban aba huka no what try to what kind article na ye kro no asa no dey want me anka. Why does the catcher say Yakum judges? Judges in Yakum Motama military rule. J. Rollins saw Trao Sukas no D president. Mwa. Pacho J. Kufo or Trahin president. Ghana for my country. And you Sukas wa. Pacho time I say Rollins. Captain Okum a judge for B. Me Namili Muasam. Because I was a toddler. Yes, Rollins and Merasun Yakum Sa judges. No. What was what said Justice D.F. Annan? One call Rollins so hot da. I was Sukaslana. Justice D.F. Annan. So by a speaker, moi. Pacho, one call castle hot da. I'm not meant. Pacho, that time, that's a coha. No, a carpenter, that's all you may see. I'm not meant. I don't take shot. Who cried the warfare? So, and the chain of Kuno, Sana Peso Chre. Quabinet Japan. Tell me you, Quabinet Japan. Listening for Anamwa. Quabinet Japan, none papa can judge no. But Quabinet Japan to be DJ Kufuchi. Echo, yeah. Presidential spokesperson Emma J. Kufo Ewo Sukasewa Mbatomeboa the king and I got it that time na Kwabena Japan now the presidential special spokesperson no Ewo Mensha Ahimfi I'm not who cried the who can warfare a distance warfare Kwabena Japan ni papa nimpon ni se nimpon ayana mpanifo ni bi ni e kasa wo mem ha obuo ni ani die kwaso ma mentwa e pa de nsinche wo hwe mani aseda mkasa wo hwe ayana mamo nya madwen se sabia buru sabia nyaado wonim nyansa chen o nyini na moyi na chen yen ene di obuo mamo position bi na mudie ene di ani die mamo Kwabena Japan o di presidential press secretary the same the king of morning shows. Did you at any point in time hear Kwabena Japan rationalizing his father being killed or being summoned at Osu Castle, same place the Chief Justice was talking about yesterday? He is smart. That because some papa had a call here and whatsoever happened to him, it's me here presidential press secretary. Did you hear Kwabena Japan say that? I don't take shot, I take madness. Why are we picking and choosing? We are garnishing and massaging certain issues to influence the egos and then the emotions of people. Let's say, you could have the family and to be investigated too. I'm not meant. It's me and that's someone. Say, one of your friends, Crofoko, it's Mammy, it's a Samano, young fan, say. Say yampa, say yampa. It's me him. Say no for Osu Castle. Captain. Oh, yeah, no. My honey, chihuahua as slaves. Jamie Miwa. He is smart. Eti, ema otumfo nko Cape Coast. Because otumfo say prempe. Yeah, challenge to Cape Coast Castle at Seven Coast Seychelles. It's more too far for Cape Coast. What kind of analogy is this? I don't take shot. No, come home. It's more too far for Cape Coast. Because Asante Hinibia, what Tamuko, yet Chinoko to Cape Coast Castle. It's more too far for Afashe. Or too far to Cape Coast, so I. And I was or too far for Cape Coast, one up again. So that again, when Frank a day, who's so afraid to do? I know Frank or call. otu akwabe anofa bilisi eti yate chami bi ato eye kepos nti mo tun fo nko kepos ayana me trust dina me tia knowledge da mpanifo ne bi ya Antaraba Sister Arabi say can never bone to my mom.
He is unique.
But I be sia into I mean, Miss Afar, Ayana, yes, one I mean, one shows.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best.
Hospital bi okrom ha. Obi papa ko wu ho. Ne maami ko wu ho. Ne yini ko wu ho. Ne ba ko wu ho. Etmane ko hospital ho bi.
Enu na ment say na me do ho.
Na why na ma obi kwen say president say ye hwehwe wasemu a. Wo na wo be kire be bia ye ko hwehwe wasemu.
Bibini au.
Why na say samra no okrom ha.
Toda ya.
Antaraba.
Toda ya.
There, I wanna hear what I want to bet you, baby. And one now, we better was some baby. I will bet you call was seven. I want to bet you, baby. One phone call and said, I'm not saying I could find watch him call and idea. Now, say, one phone call as I find him here, no one can come as him. Ebe Antaraba.
Toda ya.
Antarabo.
Toda ya.
Neza.
Na, what in an andonka?
Antaraba.
Mama. Toda ya.
Aho. Why na eka say amreya ye wo mi sa amreya te asase so yi. Say ye do ko su kasra. Na te say ye ba mi emuduam. E na say je ku fo bogana na mi emuduam.
Bibini au.
Boy asendo pam.
Ni pa o. Bibini au. Na bibini grab e de wias. I mean, yes, Ramon. On mine, yetimuno.
Hello.
And your beard back for the and you know, yet. Betty, a more being yan who saw your nipate be. That be. Your woman, it did to me. Article 71. Yajatum, yes. But ye pamacho, Obuni and India Quanso. Mumman in Quanquayet to say, Sabi, so being called schooler.
Toda ya.
Or dear Sabi, or ya divi.
Burakadesh.
A pamacho, Mumfayan coho, and ya be cancel me.
El ahenu Yehuwa Eckhart.
Aho. Me pacho, date na Mokai Matthias Day. I don't know one can say, I don't know about Kai Woyao, Mammy. I don't know one can say, no back Kai Woyao. It is sad day now, the Kai, a judge of Fona, you could woman, Mundi sad than you. It's Debbie Moody sad and a more patch say, more Kaya Busha for Kumo Madishano, so on the one day yao. And what is the logic? What is the logic? Hey, John Muhammad and the Tribu Asempau. I keep telling you this. Me, if I were the president, if I want to sack you, I will sack you. I'm telling you. Look, you're driven here. Bibini bia pediashe.
Bibini, au. Bibini and Pao.
Bibini bia padia. A jabwom.
Bibini, au. Bibini and Pao.
I could find you from here yet. One can't say Charlotte say want to be in Yajma. Charlotte said no, you article 6.
Na oti na nandonka.
Pastor Charlotte said no, you article 6.
Na misanka kisi no.
Because of no, Mami can't me. Hey, Debbie, because of Charlotte say, ke wo ko kunta de sorry. Yes, I dey friend no. Ni di na no. Lawyer bi no. Because of Charlotte say, ko ko kunta de sorry. Oko voter region oba e ka de ko mu kunu. They wanted to crush him and kill that innocent lawyer. Why? Because enema ekoso ewo isi ho no kwanya wo ma faso etotwe sika bi ma lawyer fo bi no Tadio sorry emra Charlotte said ne coin na Tadio so say no say de we ebo Ghana ka adenti hwe say ya betey say wo ko krom chips compounder sika e beje wo no pacho wo be se kokolebu ade same sika de e beje wo hello Tadio sorry ko do easy Charlotte said ne ko say the legal department and the reform department na mai Peter oni masema na ho say easy obi the easy call circuit court sika omutua no the same sika omutua Supreme Court what be that apple obi the easy echo high court sika otua no the same sika na wo mo ade hye animu say the Supreme Court it will be the Supreme Court filing no I still have Charlotte send document no machine so I can say come kum Tadio sorry going come kum papa no then Bonnie Bennett Tadio sorry yeah Tadio sorry is still alive. I want somebody to call him now tell him I mentioned his name on my show and let him confirm or deny the story that I'm telling you. Edu baby I was monitoring events in this country. But that time, no, then 2017, 2018, 2019, Nana Dwabafufro, I was observing because we catch only president that to be man in fear me and son on your baby. When you say do baby, that Tadio sorry to the case to qua register some person my final match and the judge to for case in the name. I am saying it. Call Tadio sorry and ask him. One of his cases, you call. Na me document be say this stamp bi o say dem na be esisi so age high court and e betimi aye sa na ma na ma me ye kodu ho ba bi na obi a o say obi a Tadio sorry nipa I read your friend say you can say one high lawyer one higher lawyer no na case the judge assess ya de kono ya de kobo ha na de akobo ha ya de kobo ha na ye nya judge in the case ni beba no why because Tadio sorry echo is no also corruption on pay bini Tadio sorry said no this is wrong bini Ghana boka it is reason ti I be pam Charlotte say on my Tadio sorry echo reform me the legal department of the Electoral Commission somebody should come and deny this fact. And I'll prove to you with documents. Tadio sorry said no. High Court will file cases. Secure budget no will form change Supreme Court. I didn't tell my in a pay. Intimate say. Then Tina say, your friend say, easy any case. Lawyer na who dey animu no won court. Say state institution. Nippon won but dan o me article 71. They were not going to court. Mr. Tadio sorry. And easy for Nankasa were shocked and surprised. How a Tadio sorry as a lawyer of that caliber. Ojana djuma nyina ho sa tafre kura siu easier. No wa share the rope no dimrika no ko no enti enipa no wo ye adwuma wo ho nyina no na ye omowa Mr. Tadio sorry say when he spoke to Ofori-Atta in 2016 asabe na Ofori-Atta ka kire no Mr. Tadio sorry somebody ewo easy send Tadio sorry text message me person me born day 10 time I monitor every single damn thing in this country. Jimmy Semen can't want them. Cause my catch on me. Bisa gabi oche da kunso wu. Wewu. Pacho gabi wewu. Asante be dey to wewu. Keno Ofori-Atta ya wewu. Bisa am say nchemu ho wo yisi ho no. Maybe omu fie no invite me ko ho den e ko so. Me nka no hande. Omo ye memo mbra bonchen. Obi a to behwe. Me when you call me now, what can some M1 Ghana who metie udi na my din na masoro na me call e wo mtirim. Papa bi no go mo tete friend opani ya o ma abre. O to bicycle no cho or the plywood shape fifi ho e no cho ho e wo betirim Nesha Tadio sorry Jan adwuma court sa e ma yisi for no kwabisa sa na lawyer we nya adwuma ye wo de yisa na wo ni ma Peter wo ni ma de no de yisi ne ye sa wa court ne ye fine easier no ma kopeska no sharp no ma kotua no ma tom share no ma di. This is why and how Charlotte Osei was sacked as the EC boss. What is somebody saying? Let me see if I can. My search your them. Any petition against the chairperson of Electoral Commission, Mrs. Charlotte Osei. Responses provided by Mrs. Charlotte Osei to the allegation. Let me read one to you. Claim number 1 on the boy Charlotte Osei. I say, Madame Charlotte Osei, the chairperson of the Electoral Commission on 30th June 2015, assumed office as Article 71 appointee while still holding office as a board member of the Ghana Reinsurance, a public company, contrary to Article 44(4) of the 1992 Constitution. When the issue was raised, the PRO of the Ghana Reinsurance confirmed that she only resigned on December 5th, 2015. You appointed me. 2 months I have resigned. Then you sack me. I am asking Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, time Nana Charlotte Osei, your board dinsa or your easy boss no, but you're not called Ghana Reinsurance for board meeting. She never went for any board meeting. Obi so say sika ni kwansa meje e dia mama me di bia ka bi 2 months na me di aba on the man nko. Yes, hey, by force Akufo-Addo my head shame say a public office.
Told her.
How can you tell me say Ghana Reinsurance, a limited liability company?
Hello.
The shares are held by government. It is to be a non-executive director. How can you describe a non-executive director as a public office and a public officer? And you say the public Charlotte Osei. Claim number 2. I didn't Charlotte Osei. Mrs. Charlotte Osei, claim number 2, was appointed as chairperson of Electoral Commission of Ghana whilst holding office as chairperson of the National Commission of Civic Education, contrary to 1992 Constitution. In fact, it was announced as a swearing-in ceremony by the former president that he received her resignation from the NCCE on 29th June 2017 before the swearing-in. It is a president reaching resignation and say yes swearing in. Yes, Captain Smart and Judiciary company CEO. Me a morning show presenter ewaha. Na ye best swear me in no. Me the crat akwa say Juana me ye wonu ya me nya bioma. Na do see on tia say Charlotte Osei resigning here. And na me answer yes swear me in to we. What are you talking about? Claim number 3. Maybe you don't know. Me hear come how my din ya na me hwe maybe din na ya mesre. Claim number 3 Charlotte Osei. Following her appointment as EC chair, Mrs. Charlotte, woman 24 said no crown so. Go and read. And I called Asante Mediato and I said, boss, documents now the man say Fanko and Kasa Charlotte say why no. Paragraph 3, man found say nice. Mrs. Charlotte. Why your friend Mrs. Charlotte? Why your friend Mrs. Charlotte? First Asante Mediato the Busano, every when you stroke into the referee.
Told her, sir. Shamaki Shrai Yehovah.
Mrs. Charlotte compromised the independence and neutrality of the commission by arranging for 2015 V8. Cherio, 2015 V8. Arranging. It is not that she bought. She arranged V8 Land Cruiser with registration number WR2291-2015. From the office of the president for use as official vehicle without going through the procurement process or recourse to the commission. Is this not madness? Sir, Obi Ayaboni this on the EC boss. Abraham. Abaina Manika. On Fankoye EC boss. Charlotte said you are no one car a year. You are supposed to 7 months. That's Charlotte said in car. What are we talking about in this country? Charlotte Osei Onyoba.
Therefore, me the
is she not a woman? And now I can hear some frivolous comments coming from some certain quarters of women saying what? Charlotte Osei time na do yen sa no. Mbacho no ye hermaphrodite. Hey. That time no ye bema. See, response to Charlotte Osei the man make kaya chiro. Mrs. Charlotte Osei does not use a vehicle with a said registration number. Mami can say me Peter, car number na omu koti ye no. Na your constituency chairman be aban ne ba for cars omu gigi ye no de man no ochi. E say the share Charlotte Osei ko say Charlotte Osei dey twisa car no. Me na meka obi oto ye be ma ko come forward and na be catch us asema meka no meboa. That I'm so I'm time kaka pachopa.
Therefore me the
pachopa. Charlotte Osei car number na omu boy say WR 2291-2015 no. Na constituency chairman be Western region on the twisa car no.
Oh, I don't know.
Dada. Meanwhile, Kana Charlotte Osei president John Dramani Mahama instructed say, "Oh, madam." And now let me say this: we are with him. Charlotte Osei is first lady.
No.
Debbie, former Chief Justice, Mami, Georgina Wood. One more committee in Kasebi. I will Jubilee House. One more come on, say. And yet we are all serving. And say, me Mami Georgina Wood, we a day, who can want some mechuari. Because me mean Mami no. And what dear Georgina Wood, Abama my way. On one kasa kakura wabo, I want the office or didn't boat na boss room sika so ba. Go and check Georgina Wood. Georgina Wood, in your kufon appointed no. Patome se buy up amono. Joma buy, what is up am Georgina Wood? I didn't tell Joma Pam no. I didn't tell me Sampam no. And shall say, and Kofa Kodi Georgina Wood, whom concern. Peter, I that Georgina Wood is a sang craft, I call yes. Some office here, me. Me and me my boss musika. And the SSC office had me here. Manji sika na efiaba ho. Professor Nelson kan nsa bom no yedin. Awala kwana ka yewe djuma. George Wood de onye nipa. Mrs. Osei does not use a vehicle with the said registration number WR2291-15.
No.
Following her appointment as chairperson,
no.
The office of the chief of staff allocated Mrs. Osei a vehicle. My minister wants to be some common in a course. Now, if you only car, you should such easy boss. Car about some day, Juma say Electoral Commission penny poor dano, not be ni ho.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
This is certainly not a new practice in Ghana's public service. Indeed, the office of the chief of staff provided and continues to provide vehicles for many government institutions and appointees. The chairperson could therefore not have compromised her independence or neutrality, as she neither requested nor lobbied. Charlotte Osei akokase yamanikawo. Eye komodie. And Obima president say, na say na Charlotte. Your man official vehicle.
Captain Smart.
And your man Charlotte say official vehicle. Car na akufado. Car no man akufado boy. Emi yedi Charlotte say di na mabodo manamano. WR 2291-15. Charlotte say who sa car nta. Peter, me na make catch up say car ni yetwi Western region. By the Charlotte said, Wabra car no man kura akufado boy. The same car now would you even do? One constituency chairman Bakuno go to a Western region.
I don't take so. I don't take madness. I don't take far. I don't take so far minutes.
Say the Charlotte said. Claim number 4. Hey, the Charlotte said it. Tie, me catch now. Document will be said that the same. Said them said dachi. As a member.
Told
The political posture of the chairperson prior to the conduct of the 2016 general elections nearly pushed Ghana to the precipice.
Captain Smart.
Nearly. Let us say nearly. But for the action of technical and competent staff of the commission, she could have plunged this country into a civil war. Really? 2016, really? Charlotte Osei could have plunged this country into a civil war. Mami or two says easy. But 2020 elections were declared how many times? I hear 7 times. I
Morning shows.
Well, when declared 2020 elections 7 times, is she not still sitting there as the EC boss? The time your body pay 82 pay I was touch my because of just one person the MP
2020
who could then insinuate that could have plunged this country into a civil war.
2020
This is how Charlotte Osei was sacked. Maybe you don't know. People sit in their homes and Charlotte Osei. Claim number 5. They tell you Charlotte Osei apeti. When another indigenous to the yin and you, Jayakufa in the yin. Message Charlotte Osei without recourse to the Mammy 0.4 no. What were you drawn? I say
Smart.
Yes, Captain Smart. Why your story be Abraham 1 year. Enti onko pacho. Say Captain Smart ko no ko pacho. When a man kwese on pacho.
He is smart. He is the best. Smart is the king.
Let's say why you be here. So onko ye here na me catch some ye easy boss man ko ya obeko.
Toda ya shah. Shamaki Israel Yehovah.
Wait me here. Eti ase Charlotte Osei am mranti a wona sena timi ahihye ne ma yie am abato wona timi agina ne na so fefefenti ye yi na di.
Uvika Noveshika, Uvika.
Number 5 T. Afeti. Me bolo ya bidin wa hamwa.
Toda.
Message Charlotte Osei without recourse to the commission engage the services of lawyers sorry at law. Sabe cannot catch na me bom tiri na me kan samo. Tia. So for no can say so for no. Tia. Message Charlotte Osei without recourse. How can you tell me say without recourse? But yes, say yes, me Captain Smart. I mean, I'm a morning show presenter. Me producer ne Godwin. Na confusion see her. You person solve problem no. Na you solve I will say you solve problem me show net me akosunti yanko kan che me se nua ma ye yie. That's why my son to kwane koso the company nim gu ase so aka ba ye.
So original na say
Message Charlotte Osei without recourse to the commission engage the services of lawyers sorry at law without going through the procurement process. This service engagement goes contrary to Public Procurement Act. As at now, there is no formal contractual agreement between the commission and the solicitors. Sorry, no.
Captain Smart.
The basis of fees. Corruption for services rendered by these lawyers still remains unknown. It's a lie. Sorry at law was retained on the basis of a decision of the commission taken at a commission meeting on September 2015. Tadio sorry. No crash Charlotte Osei I didn't call you retaining no be the call that any retaining no Charlotte Osei by no hen juma or you no sekaya. Watch this. If there has been any breach in the procurement process, then the entire commission must be held responsible. Because meeting now, we will approve it at your sorry. No, Charlotte Osei sorry for you another meeting. That time no mokoto, letterhead be letterhead be once a month. Say I have seen it, I like it, and we love it. Letterhead no. So she was not. Some perform you na kufa do ball omo pa omo twa ntroto Charlotte Osei so no. Woman approve it at your sorry. I am reading.
Smart.
So follow me now.
The king of morning shows.
It was made clear at the meeting that fees for litigation-related work cannot be agreed ahead, as it would depend on the complexity of each case and the court where a case was filed. For instance, For instance, Supreme Court cases are usually billed higher than cases conducted at the High Court.
Captain Smart.
It was therefore the function of the chairperson to refer all incoming lawsuits to Ofori-Atta law on the basis of the Commission's decision. It was the function of the deputy chairperson. It was the deputy chairperson to negotiate the fees for each matter referred with Ofori-Atta law. Indeed, the same deputy chairperson has previously failed to negotiate fees with previous councils retained at the commission. Deputy chairperson will be trying to Charlotte says area. So no one to any microphone in the board. My buona ma form. Obi fufro ni na di buona ma buona ma form enti pampan. Ese yi. What are we talking about?
Captain Smart.
What are we talking? Well, Bakubi Kura will can't cry in your best.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best.
That's a I am not glorifying anything as Obiaya Etia Ghana. I am not referring to that.
No.
But when you go through Charlotte says dismissal and the reasons why, say, as part of compromising claim 7, as part of compromising her independence and neutrality, claim 7 Charlotte said in as part of compromising her independence and neutrality, Mrs. Charlotte Osei claimed that the Electoral Commission has been allocated a new building, for use as office complex without approval of the commission. Abba.
He is smart.
John, I'm a lawyer. Sakufa no a lawyer. Yes, a human rights lawyer. Nana do so one kind of day we a some 4 years a The
king.
The 7-member commission has not at any point in time formally requested for any office, but the office was located to the EC. Say I have no say EC woman to dine that woman 2 years. And I throw my 2. Now do claimants or that. Abaya madai for say aha ma allocate. And yes, Charlotte said the EC sika kosi dai fufro. Abaya no tia konwa so say mo dan problems wo hunti mama mo dan fufro mo konkatem. Akupa do say adentre Charlotte say epene so say John Mahama that time. Woman dan say me ya mo dan fufro akwakotem tim ayi wadi. It be tell some office now office no me say new maka tell me say captain me say yes boss office na say nso to a enwunu niam ha dwen eti firi wo be se kwatena pefa nchen ho na yen sesi ho wie na se bitu da me kwatena pefa nchen office no ye yimali
enu na ment yes na me do I don't take so I don't take
ye yimali after the reform this also chairperson's insatiable demand for affluence and flamboyance.
So
He is smart.
A flamboyance. She unilaterally awarded a contract to the tune of 3.9 million Ghana cedis for demarcation and partitioning of the said office complex without recourse to the commission. Say I know because Bank of Ghana. She claimed she sought approval from the Public Procurement Authority, but strangely enough, the contract sum is higher than the approved level. ATTO, Dr. Time that's when I tell me hey. By the time I'm so introduce you to me muscle. Now, you say Dr. Time that's so say person me ya dear mano. I did Dr. Time that's so say me mano no Ghana for munching you. I did no $4 million. Me kwa na mkacha Dr. Time that's so say one I was say me ya dear we ma. Them $4 million now. Was me fine no edoso no do. It's made you $2.5 million. I don't see a email. Charlotte was sending response to call, you know. I could find to say, on kind. I want to tell you this because of some of the things that I have said you. Charlotte response. It is untrue that the 7 members of the commission do not see anything wrong with the current office. Commission members have constantly complained to the chairperson about leaking. Leaking and damaged roofs. For electrical wiring.
Of morning shows.
Damp walls and lack of storage facilities to store election equipment, resulting in significant blah 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 blah. These are some of the reasons why Charlotte was sacked. I am not saying we should use any frivolous means to sack anybody. But whether we like it or not, the inquiry into whether the sacking or the dismissal of the Chief Justice will continue, and nobody can stop it. That time in nonsense.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Chief Justice,
he is the best. Captain Smart.
If I go through mechanical CSA, I will fool. It's been percent. Peter, I don't say Charlotte say, I tell you, I say, office cry there, trust him, send to the what's it? Oh, yeah, the Charlotte say, the dressing born, quite do. My man here, you know.
Captain.
And then we have lawyers in this country. They kept mute over Charlotte say. So, team been here from saying, one more called Jubilee House Square demonstration. Bahama time, they from saying, Occupy Ghana.